Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great. Hope you had a good weekend, and welcome to this new video on Solana. Also, welcome to the channel. If you're new, what I wanted to talk about in this video is, well, we'll do a full analysis on Solana, but we will specifically focus on the technicals here. The technical developments have actually been quite interesting here, and that's definitely something you need to know about, but more on that later. But obviously, we will also talk about the Solana unlock, all right? Because the 1st of March, we will have a pretty big unlock of about 2.5 or $2.05 billion in Solana being unlocked. And that's from the FTX estate, all right? FTX estate, excuse me. So what we saw is that FTX has sold 41 million SOL in 3 auctions. And that was bought up mostly by Galaxy, Pantera, and Figure. Figure, I actually haven't heard of before. Pantera, obviously. Galaxy, obviously. But they bought those SOL coins earlier, and they will be unlocked in March. So we're going to be talking about that. All right, will that actually cause a crash? What's going on with Solana right now? In general, to start off, I mean, if you watch my previous videos, it was already expected that Solana would actually get that pullback into that $175 level. All right, purely technically, 3-day time frame, that's an amazing level. And what we've seen so far, and that's a sign of that Solana definitely is bearish, still short term, is that we've broken this trend line. This trend line was the main trend line that actually held us up since August. Since August, the trend line has never been broken, and it has been hit like 7-8 times. So breaking down below that technically is already a bearish confirmation. Then outside of that, with all these, like a huge amount of rug pulls and scam coins have been listed on Solana through Meteora, Jupiter, etc. And there's in general a lot of FUD around the Solana ecosystem, right? Because it seems like some of these bigger Solana ecosystem partners, such as Meteora, are complacent in listing these meme coins, which extract huge amounts of value from the Solana chain. So in general, there is already FUD, and now we gain some more FUD about these FTX estate unlocks. See, Solana short-term is bearish, but ultimately with all of this, the question still remains, well, will we actually drop down below 175? That's the main support level. If we fail to hold that level technically, then we will drop back down into this range right here, and then the next major liquidity zone is around 130. So it's absolutely crucial, regardless of the news and regardless of the development of the news, it's crucial that we hold 175. That's the previous value area high. That's the most important thing. Now, talking about 2 things. First of all, I think the FUD on Solana was to be expected. I don't think it necessarily means that Solana will die out. All right, Solana is still one of the most favorite coins to actually launch coins and start projects on. So, I mean, even though these scam coins are ridiculously bad for the ecosystem, I think if you, as a crypto founder, now want to start building a new project, it's either on Base or still on Solana. So, even though there is a lot of FUD, and that's causing bearish pressure right now, I don't think that's going to facilitate the bearish breakout. And then when we're talking about these unlocks that we have March the 1st, look, it's almost impossible to actually estimate what they're going to do with that money. All right, what sometimes happens is that they buy this SOL and that they already OTC sell it to other partners. All right, so here you could see that the return rate is amazing. If they sold it to other partners at a lower return rate, the likelihoods of them selling become already much less likely. So at this point of time, token unlocks, they're not always a bad thing, all right? A lot of people also short, and we can get some short squeezes. So for now, given the fundamentals of Solana, which are still very strong, and given my thoughts on the fundamentals right now, I'd say that it is a possibility we'll drop down below 170 and 175, but short term, I think it's more likely we'll drop down into that, and that we will hold that as support before getting some sort of a move up, even though that move up could still take some time. Now, I will keep you updated on this, so keep an eye on the channel. If we do get some negative updates, negative developments, I'll let you know. But for now, I think that's it. So thank you for watching. I will keep you updated on this, like I said. For now, have a great day. Take care and be safe, trading Sol. And I'll see you on my next videos. Bye.